You are listening to Chapter 2, Lesson 12 of Form 4 Economics. Cameroon General Education. Narrated by Wacheseh Academy. Esteban-Rupp's Theory of Population, the Optimist Theory. Unlike Rev. Thomas Malthus, the optimist sees population growth to be good. She was very optimistic that population growth will create a larger market for the sale of goods and services, as well as the needed labor force. According to her, population growth will enhance agricultural development because of technical progress, hence, necessity is the mother of invention. Esther's theory is true to an extent because the increasing population in a most developing country has forced people to change from shifting cultivation to intensive farming. However, this increased population is closely associated with starvation and poverty. Migration. It is the movement of people from one region to another for a duration greater than 12 months. It is of two types: internal and external migration. Internal migration is the movement of people from one place to another within the same country, while external migration is the movement of people from one country to another or across national boundaries. Migration is caused by the following factors. Causes or factors affecting migration. 1. Unemployment problem. High rates of unemployment and low wage rates may cause people to emigrate or leave a country and vice versa. 2. Political factors or social unrest. It can either encourage people to leave or enter a country. When there is political instability, people leave the country in search of peace, while peaceful countries attract more people, for example Nigerians, who left northern Nigeria for Cameroon due to Boko Haram. 3. Economic factors. When the economy of a country is doing well with a large labor market, it attracts many investors, hence the inflow of labor and capital. 4. Educational factors. Many youths in developing countries migrate from villages to towns and university sites, as well as out of the country so as to further their education level. 5. Religious factors. Due to religious persecution, many migrants move out of the area where they are constrained and settle in places or countries where there is freedom of worship. Consequences of migration. The consequences of migration are either positive or negative depending on the country. There is an increase in the labor force in the area of destination, since most immigrants are of the economically active age group. There is a fall in labor supply in the departure area. There is the transfer of technology in the destination area, as those entering the country are skilled and talented, hence they share their know-how and increase industrial production. The output will fall in the departure area. There is an increase in government revenues in the area of destination, since the immigrants pay taxes to the government. The reverse is true for the area of departure. The dependency ratio is going to be high in the area of departure since most emigrants are economically active people, and vice versa. There may be social problems like high crime waves, traffic congestion, the transmission of diseases like AIDS, the Ebola virus, etc. in the area of destination. These social ills will reduce in the area of departure.